Hi everyone and Happy New Year. It's such an exciting moment as we enter into 2024. And I know you, maybe, like many of us, are thinking about how can I make this year the best yet? Now, the one issue I tend to find with January is that often there's lots of these faddy diets and these new sales of all these things trying to grab your attention. And what I've really enjoyed discovering in 2023 was actually some of the key secrets to our health can be the simplest things, even free. And so what I'm excited to share with you later this month with Dr. Janie Fitzgerald and myself is the secrets and joy of intermittent fasting. Now, intermittent fasting, again, it is sometimes can be very complex, but there can be some really simple principles. And what's fantastic about what we're going to look at is we're going to think about how can you tailor this experience for you. We'll be looking at the Ayurvedic perspective to intermittent fasting. We'll be looking at a way of enjoying your food and your relationship with nutrition in a way that's empowering and exciting, not restrictive. So come and join us, and we cannot wait to help and work with you to make this the best year yet for all of us.